Makuna fear God. Makuna fear God. Every time we take land, so we get a land, we get a land. The owner of land don't come collect them. My landlord they pursue me for us every day. Come out from my house, come out from my house. Now the water don't even pursue and come out from your house. There is God. This flood will come, not be only the poor it affect, both the poor and rich. Now they suffer. Una they see swimming pool there everywhere. Now you don't need swimming pool for anywhere. You're inside your house, you get a main swimming pool. Makuna fear God. Now God, now get a power. Now God will get a power.